I'm cooking 4 delicious recipes using Kitchen Kit made by Sage.
Fruit crumble, take 1. Crumble is one of my favourite puddings, and for this one, I'm using apple and frozen fruits. Push them right into the corners. Next, apple, core out. Cut them into chunks and then drop them on top of the frozen fruit. Sprinkle 4 tablespoons of caster sugar, the grated zest of 1 lemon, mixed spice over the top, some vanilla flavouring, a few little drizzles. Now it's time to make the crumble mix. Flour, sugar, oats, cold butter. It's really important that it's cold because we're going to now blend it using the pulse button, because if it's going too much and too fast, everything gets warmer and it softens the butter. And all we're going to do is put this crumble topping on top of this beautiful tray of delightful flavours. The best way of doing that is kind of getting the topping and squeezing it together and then letting it fall out. As it bakes, it will cook a bit like a biscuit. Just make sure you cover all of the top with those lovely nuggets of joy. Now all I've got to do is bake it in the smart oven for 35 to 40 minutes. Much more efficient on time and space. Most importantly, energy. Everything just like this crumble. It's nice and easy. Look at that! Amazing. Crispy, crunchy, crumbly on the top. As you spoon it, you want the juices and the fruit to stay at the bottom, crumble at the top. And then just pour over. Creamy and delicious custard. It's the perfect combination. Don't eat it when it's too hot. Maybe leave it to cool for a couple of minutes before you push on.
For dozens more fuss-free everyday meals, check out my new book, Real Life Recipes.